Well, my own learning path for ValueNetworks was a very long path and encompassed a lot of experimentation. My determination was to bring together the very best insights from not only business process, but also from social networks, from intangibles, knowledge sharing, collaboration. So it required a lot of experimenting with the elements that would really work and make a difference, and a lot of experiments that weren't so successful. But over the course of the last 15 years, we have been able now to refine the learning path and have gotten it down now so that it's actually quite short. We've zeroed in on exactly the elements that really do make a difference and the cleanest and simplest ways to do value network analysis. We have compiled a extensive help library supporting our application Value Network Insights that is designed as a complete self-help course in a way that people can rather readily qualify to be a Value Networks practitioner. It's the equivalent of a methodology book, but it's all modular, many different topics, more than 50 help topics, and 7 self-help modules, all in PowerPoint, that you can walk through yourself and master the elements of value network analysis. The same tools and content people are beginning to use now for university courses, where the teacher or the academic will take our modules, teach them to the class. We provide a very low-cost student license where people can execute their first value network project rather easily. And we're getting very good response with this. What we've learned is the style of learning has changed over the last 15 to 20 years. People have very little patience for classroom types of learning. They want to be able to do a project and get what they need right at the moment they need to. So the whole module, the whole library is set up to guide people through doing your first value network project. When you're ready to have the conversation about stakeholders and scoping the project, here's just the content you need. When you're ready to do your map, here's your checklists, here's everything that you need. So we've given this a lot of thought, and people are doing quite well with it.
So how does someone get on to this program, or how do they get access to it?
The professional edition of the application is a yearly license that is available at ValueNetworks.com. There's also special pricing for academics and nonprofits. So we're more than happy to support that. A large part of my own passion around doing the work is, I believe, if we're going to meet the challenges on the planet, we're only going to do it by working as networks. So I see this as a small contribution to changing the world.